5 seconds to go. Start. The matter was investigated and the police filed its final report. The magistrate directed fresh investigation, which was followed by a second final report. Yet again, the magistrate passed an order on 18th November 2022 directing further investigation, and the said case was reopened. A closure report was subsequently submitted, which was placed before the magistrate on 5th August 2023 and is pending final orders. It was next argued by learned counsel for the appellant complainant that the respondents have been deliberately delaying conclusion of the trial on one pretext or the other. He submitted that this conduct of the respondents was adversely commented upon by the Additional Sessions Judge, Court number 15, Meerut, in his order dated 23rd August 2022, wherein it was observed that 5 dates were taken by the accused, but they failed to cross-examine the appellant complainant, and the accused were cautioned that if the cross-examination would not be completed, then their right to cross-examine him would be closed. To delay the trial, the co-accused Niaz Ahmed filed a transfer petition before the Sessions Court requesting that the trial be conducted by some other additional Sessions judge on the plea of bias. This application was rejected vide order dated 7th December 2022. The order dated 7th December 2022 was unsuccessfully challenged before the High Court, and wide order dated 8th February 2023, the transfer application of Niaz Ahmed was dismissed. It was observed that the trial was at the initial stage and several applications were being moved before the trial court for lingering the trial. Yet again, as a strategy, the counsel engaged by 4 accused persons withdrew his power of attorney, stating that his clients were not cooperating with him. When the Sessions Court closed their right to cross-examine PW2, vide order dated 14th March 2023, Najim Ali approached the High Court. Vide order dated 16th May 2023, the High Court allowed the said application subject to costs of Rs 10,000 only payable to PW2 and permitted his cross-examination. As for the subsequent conduct of the respondents, it was pointed out that after being released on bail, one of the prime eyewitnesses, Abdullah PW2, was sought to be intimidated by them and their supporters. Abdullah PW2 filed a complaint on 21st March 2023, which was registered as an FIR, wherein it was alleged that 5 accused persons, that is 3 respondents herein, and the co-accused had threatened him in open court. After he left the court premises, he was thrashed by them. On an application moved by PW2, he was extended protection by the court. Subsequently, the police filed a closure report in respect of the captioned FIR, but the learned magistrate passed an order on 7th July 2023 directing further investigation in the matter. Lastly, it has been contended that none of the respondents have been antecedents, which is apparent from the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, State of Uttar Pradesh, which aspect has been lost sight of by the High Court while granting bail in their favor. In support of their submission that individual facts of the case are relevant factors that must be considered by the court while considering a bail application under section 439 CRPC, learned counsel for the appellants cited the decisions of this court in Mahipal versus Rajesh Kumar alias Polia and another, urging that the accused herein have been in custody for less than 3 years and were not entitled to any relief by way of bail. Stop.